Dear students, welcome again to Ali bin Jassim bin Muhammad Al Thani Secondary School for Boys. I'm teacher Ala. Today we are going to talk about something which is very necessary to talk about, which is used to. Used to. What's the meaning of used to? This means that something happened in the past as a habit, but it doesn't happen anymore now or in the present. For example, when I say I used to go to school in Paris, this means I went to school there before, but now I do not. Now, this means that in the past I used to go to Paris and a school in Paris, but now I'm going to another school in other cities or in another country. Another example, when Ali was a child, he used to climb trees. This means that in the past, Ali had a habit which is climbing trees, but now he doesn't climb trees at all. What about the structure of used to? We have three structures actually: affirmative, negative, and the question. In the affirmative form, after the subject, we use used to plus verb 1. In the negative form, after the subject, we use didn't plus use to plus verb 1. In the interrogative form, we use before the subject, we put did, and after the subject, we use to plus verb 1. Notice that in the negative form and in the interrogative form, we use without d, but in the affirmative form, we used. Okay? Used or use. When there is no did in the sentence, we say used to with d. But when there is did in the sentence, we say used to without d. Be careful about this. The use of used to do. We use the used to do structure to talk about an activity that we did regularly in the past, like a habit, a situation that was true in the past. Look at these examples. She used to work in a shop. Now she works in a bank. He used to watch a lot of TV. Now he doesn't watch much TV. They used to be married. Now they are divorced. Now here we have a quiz, a multiple choice quiz. You have to choose the best answer. My mother, space, cook on Sundays. What do we have to choose here? We have to choose what? Here we have verb 1. Because we have verb 1, we have to choose used to. Why? Because here we have is, and we do not take this structure, so this structure is not correct. Okay? So be careful about this. Okay? Number 2. Didn't you use to space? After use to, actually we use the verb infinitive without to. Swim, not swimming. Number 3. I didn't use to this much TV. After use to also, we use the verb 1. You will space noisy children soon. Here we don't have verb 1. So we do not use used to at all. So what should we use? We have to use be used to. And this is another structure. We are going to talk about it in the next video. Alison used to space my best friend. After used to, we have to use the infinitive form of the verb, which is be here. This is about used to and talking about the past habits. And I'd like to thank you for listening to this video, and goodbye.